Good morning everyone and welcome to our last Sumba video. Oh, the last few weeks have been absolutely incredible. We have seen some of the best places that we've ever seen. Beautiful waterfalls, endless rice fields, incredible beaches and so empty, it's unbelievable. Today we're ending with a bang. We are heading to two very remote waterfalls. We've decided to take a guide because the road is apparently really bad and we have a long walk. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
We've broken down because our driver was on his phone and he crashed into a hole on the side of the road, so now he's outside fixing the hole. Sam had to go at him because you shouldn't drive on your phone, it's really dangerous, especially in places like this because there's kids on the side of the road, there's dogs on the side of the road. Yeah, so now he's got a spanner and I think he's fixing his car, so hopefully we'll make it.
Yeah, these roads are...
Tidak apa-apa.
Okay, tidak apa-apa.
Tidak apa-apa.
These roads are scary. Maria's holding on for dear life. God, the back tyres are just slipping out. I think you really need a 4x4 for this one.
Jalan tidak bagus. Ekstrim.
Extreme.
Okay?
Oh. You okay?
I'm shitting myself.
Oh my God.
Jalan.
Yeah, Jalan. We walked this bit.
I'm sorry, yeah?
No, it's not your fault.
Okay.
No need to apologise. This is the road. Yeah, this car is not making it up these hills, guys, and it's just not worth risking our life, especially with child lock on. If the car just started rolling down the hill, we've got no chance.
This is really scaring me. My heart's racing, but I don't think you can do it. We're back in. I'm not even lying, I'm so scared.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
It's okay.
today, apa.
Bye.
It's not his
Yeah,
fault.
it's not your fault. You did good job. Okay, we have arrived at Lapopu Waterfall. My God, guys, what a journey. I never want to do that again, but I've got to do it back. Wowzers.
Oh my God, that was the scariest drive of my life. There was a part when we had to get out where it was literally uphill and you need a 4x4. I don't know how the hell he did that in a car, but we were straight out because if we rolled back down off that cliff, nah. And I know my mum's gonna be watching this and be like, why do you do these things? I don't know.
Sorry, Mum.
Hello. Do you want a water as well or just
Yeah.
one? Two? Or one?
One 10,000.
Okay.
There are two waterfalls here. One is a bit harder to get to, so we're going to go to that one first before we get tired, and then we'll go to the other one after, which should be a bit easier. Ria just said it's about an hour's walk. Damn. So we've completed 20 minutes so far, walking up steps, and now we have to walk across this. It's meant to be a 2-hour hike, but we've just been told because we're going so slow, this is Ria's fault, that it's going to take 4 hours. Wish me luck. Stuck behind this.
Oh, no, I'm stuck.
We're about an hour in to the trek. And we were just saying that it really reminds us and takes us back to when we did the jungle trek in Bukit Lawang in Sumatra. But the major difference here is that we are all alone. There is no one here, and definitely no orangutans. Just lots of spiders.
200 meter, that's 200 meters, and we're almost there. Holy damn, this is difficult. Oh my god, I've never seen anything like this in my life. I've quite honestly never seen a waterfall like this. I know we say that in every video from Sumba, but this is seriously unique. The way the rocks are so high and you've walked through the jungle for so long, and then you just come to this opening with this incredible waterfall with the bluest water, and the cliffs around you are so high. So you know that that hike that we were doing was really high, because when you look at this, we were up there. Oh my goodness. It's like magic, it's like a fairy tale. So I've made our way down to the water, and there's only one place that you can actually swim, and that's because the current is so strong, but it's just in front of us. It's absolutely stunning, and we cannot wait to have a dip. Oh, wow, baby. Woo! Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that's deep.
This has just been probably the best waterfall we've ever seen, and we've been traveling for 2.5 years and we've seen many beautiful waterfalls. This has to be at the top, I think. So we're going to head to the next waterfall now. We're going to hike back and we'll show you when we get there. Come on, Slowpoke.
That was the hardest hike ever back down, because the path was down and down, and it was banging and banging and banging on my toes, and now I feel like I don't have toes anymore. And the whole time I was praying for water. We had none left, and I was like, please can there be food, because I'm so hungry. And we get to the bottom, saviour, pop me. You can always rely on a pop me to save you in Indonesia. Anyway guys, we're going to enjoy this, relax for a few minutes, and we head into our second one.
So after that food break, we're on the move again, but apparently it's only 300 meters, this waterfall, so not too far. Honestly guys, this has been one of the hardest treks that we've ever done, apart from the jungle trek of course in Sumatra, but apart from that, this has been one of the hardest. Would you agree?
Oh yeah, I'm knackered, and I think it's because we've been, oh my god, your whole body's shaking, look. Yeah, I think, what was I even saying? I don't even know. Yeah, it's been hard, that's what I was saying. Oh yeah, I think it's because we've done the whole 3 weeks in Sumba, and we've been busy every day, pretty much. So our bodies are really tired. So maybe if you plan to come here, put it at the start of your trip, because I'm so tired and it's hard to walk. Oh, this is so much better, because you can sleep on this, you can lay on this big rock and relax, because it's flat. This place is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I can't wait for a swim.
is some main character shit.
It's absolutely unreal. I'm going wrinkly because I've been in here so long. Because it's just like a swimming pool in the middle of the jungle. Unreal. Oh, come here.
What a day. Right, let's go for a swim.
No, no, no. You got the GoPro. So guys, we ended our tour with Nabas. Nabas, he was so good. Ria, yeah. He was so good. He literally held my hand for most of it, as per usual. And we're really grateful to him. The price for the guide here is 100,000, but we give him double because he's been with us all day and he definitely deserves it. Makasih. Makasih. Bye-bye.
Come on, you.
So lovely.
Making new friends.
Make my heart melt, these people in Sumba. They're just so lovely. As soon as you show a big smile, they just give you one back and they're just amazing. They make the trip so good, honestly.
Now wish us luck because we're going to attempt that death road again.
Oh no.
We stopped off where it all began, back in Waterfall back, and we're going to treat our driver to some food.
This is my lovely friend that we met before when we stayed here. She's so lovely.
Yes, I love you too.
Yes, we love you. We'll come back next year.
Next year,
One more year, yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
thanks.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Bye, jumper.
okay, bye.
Oh.
So nice.
Yeah, I was just saying we're back to where it all started. We're going to do our last vlog in Sumba, where we did our first vlog. Hello. Apa kabar? I know we've said this in another vlog, but this food really is the best. We've travelled to Sumatra and we've been to Padang, and the food is just a knack.
Oh, Sam, it's got to be done. We're going Coke free, but after that hike, the Coke is back. I cannot deny an unreal Coke after today. Forgive me.
And it's dinging.
Let me see.
The drinks at the waterfall were warm. Never helps when you're really thirsty. So we were saying on the hike, I could kill a Coke right now. And look what the universe has gave us. Ding in Coca-Cola.
She's bringing us some ice as well, absolute babe. The people in this shop are so lovely. We made friends with them before, as you saw in our previous videos, and we come every single day that we stayed in this town because the food is just absolutely delicious. I'm so excited. Look at it.
Cinnamon McCann. We've made it back in one piece, back to the hotel. Gonna say goodbye to our friend and then get a good night's sleep, I think.
So we actually booked our tour with Get Your Guide, and Stefanos was our last minute driver because the other driver's car broke down this morning, but we're really happy about it because he's been absolutely great. Oh, and guys, if you saw our last video at Mandarak Beach, we was actually with his brother, which we bumped into today in the Padang restaurant, which is so crazy. It's such a small world here in Sumba, but the brother was lovely and so is he, so very good.
Okay.
Makasih, yeah?
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Ah, my friend, tip for you. Tip for you.
Thank you. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Sama-sama. Bye-bye.